This video will show you how to adjust the margins of your resume in FlowCV. Once the resume is open, head over to the Customize tab. From here, scroll down until you reach the Spacing section. In this area, you'll see several options that you can adjust. You can click and drag or shift the sliders around to instantly see how each change affects your resume. There's font size, left and right margin, top and bottom margin, line height, and space between entries. They each have a slider you can click around and see how it looks. What's great about FlowCV is that you can immediately preview every change in real time. You don't need to manually tweak or guess like you would on other platforms. You can easily decide whether you want a tighter layout or more breathing space, depending on your resume style. And that's it. That is how you adjust the margins of your resume in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.